Alright guys, today we'll be installing the blue Traxxas aluminum shock caps. I got these because I don't really like the plastic ones and I really don't want to take the chance of them popping off, so I just went ahead and got these. So let's get started with it. First you'll need to open these up. Oh my gosh, dude, those look so good. These look a whole lot better than the plastic ones. Traxxas high quality foam. I don't know why they do that. That's just foam. Don't need this stuff. Alright, yeah, so there they are. They look really nice. So yeah, let's get into first to take out these all 4 screws. Have that done. It is time to take off the plastic shock caps and put on the blue ones. These shocks look a lot better. So let's get them put back on. So they were kind of hard to get on. The screws didn't really want to go in, but I got them. But other than that, they look pretty cool. So that is the level 2 upgrade for Blue Lightning.